So, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Okay. So, in this video, we will talk about loops. Okay. How many types of loop we are using in JavaScript. Okay. And in the previous videos, you have discussed about if else statement. Okay. So if you are a beginner, okay, so you can watch the all videos from beginning, okay, and because of if you are watching directly, so might be a chance that you cannot understand, you cannot get clarity, okay, and if you are a middle programmer, you can say you have idea about that some programming language, so you can watch directly, no problem, you can understand, okay, and if do you have any questions related to that, okay, so you can add in the comment box. Okay, so I will definitely answer on that questions, and whatever the doubt, okay, you can ask, okay, and if suppose you have any example, okay, and you are not getting clarity, okay, so you can add in the comment box, okay, so I will definitely answer, and whatever the I have knowledge, okay, I will share on that, okay, so let's start about loops, okay, so basically loops, there are three types of loop, okay, three types of loop: while loop, do while loop, and for loop, okay, so basically and there are three types loop, okay, we use in the programming, okay, and there are other programming language always so that support for each loop also in JavaScript will show you, okay, but that basic loops, while loop, do while loop, and for loop, there are certain conditions, okay, that you can use while loop, do while, and for loop, but in the programming, if you are working, okay, you will work, okay, so approx 80% of requirement can be fulfilled by for loop, okay, and there are certain scenario that suppose one condition will executed, okay, there is no need to check condition, so do while will use, okay, and while also based on the condition we can use, okay, if the condition is true, that time till that block will be executed, okay, so let's discuss about loop, okay, in this video only we'll discuss about while loop, okay, so here there are three loops you can understand, okay, so if someone is asking, okay, how many types of loop we are using, okay, in the programming in the JavaScript, okay, so every programming has a basic three types of loop: while loop, do while loop, and for loop, okay, in C, JavaScript, or Java, or other programming language as well, there are three types of loop: while, do while, and for loop we used, okay, so in this video we will talk about while loop, so let's go to the discuss about while loop. While loop, there are, suppose you are a beginner, okay, and that someone asking, okay, in the exam, okay, asking what is the while loop, and what is the condition, what is the program, okay, what is the example, so you can answer like that. The while statement creates a loop that executes a specified statement as long as the test condition evaluated to true, and the condition is evaluated before executing the statement, okay, so that is a complex definition. Here syntax while is the keyword, okay, and you cannot use in capital letter, you need to use as it is in the small letter, small letter, okay, because JavaScript is a case sensitive, okay, and there is a condition we have already discussed about operators, okay, that we need to use to make the condition, okay, and then curly braces start, and that statement we can add in the multiple statement. So basic syntax: while condition, curly braces start, and then between that you can add statements, okay. So here what will happen, first the condition will check, okay, the condition, if the condition is true, then if the condition is true, then the JavaScript controller is authorized to enter inside the loop. If the condition is true, okay, till until the condition is true, that times till the while loop will be executed, means what we are saying, we are saying जब तक कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगा, पहले कंडीशन चेक होगा, कंडीशन ट्रू है तो इसके अंदर एंट्री करेगा कंट्रोलर, अगर कंडीशन फॉल्स है तो इग्नोर करके बाहर चला जाएगा कंट्रोलर। और कंडीशन जब जब तक ट्रू रहेगा, कहने का मतलब आपने एक ऐसा कंडीशन लिख दिया जो मल्टीपल टाइम्स तक ट्रू रहेगा, तो जब तक कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगा तब तक एवेल्युएट करेगा, मीन्स व्हाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा। जैसे कंडीशन फॉल्स होगा इट विल go outside of the while loop. Okay, so here is the example. You can see that here we are declaring the variable, so let n is equal to 0 while n less than 3, then n plus plus, and we are consoling l. Means what will happen, n is equal to 0, so n here condition will check 0 less than 3, yes 0 less than 3, so what will n plus plus, n means 1. Okay, then again while loop will be executed, so 1 less than 3, yes 1 less than 3, so here what will happen, n plus plus means 1 is will happen into 2, so it will be 2, so again we will check condition 2 less than 3, yes 2 less than 3, so n will be 3. Okay, n will be increment by 1. Okay, because this is the increment operator, so 3 less than 3, no 3 less than 3 not. Okay, so what will happen, it will go outside and console and log n is equal to 3. Okay, so means how many times of this while loop executed, 3 times of, 3 times means 3 times the condition is true. Okay, so 3 times the controller will check the while loop, and fourth time then n is equal to 3, so 3 less than 3 condition false, so that will be outside of the, and then this console will be printed. Okay, so we will show you, okay, on the console. Okay, so let's go to the browser. Okay, and we are using online tool. Okay, so that we can execute. Okay, so here same condition we are using. Okay, and here let's execute, sorry. Okay, so here what will happen, where is that, this one. Okay, so we are using online tool, okay, to execute the JavaScript code. Okay, earlier we were using console. Okay, so you can open the Chrome console and you can press Control Shift I. Okay, and then you can write the code console and you can run directly. Okay, and for now we are using online tool. Okay, and that tool will execute that program. Okay, so let's clear. Okay, here, so what we are doing, we are defining the variable same number is equal to 0, while keyword we are using same a small letter. Okay, otherwise it will throw error. Suppose we are using a capital letter and we try to execute, it will throw the error, because why, because that cannot understand. You can see now, while that is indicating unexpected token internal compilation function error, means they are indicating that that while keyword we are not understanding what is the while. Okay, internally defined in the small letter, because JavaScript is a case sensitive language. Okay, so here we need to use a small letter. Okay, and suppose also we are using capital L late to declare the variable, same error will be through that late we are not understanding. You can see here, means num, what is num. Okay, it not under unexpected identifier, that is same that we are not understanding, they are saying. Okay, compiler saying we are not understanding. Okay, so here means that JavaScript is a case sensitive. Okay, so you need to take care about that, otherwise it will throw the error. Okay, so here number we are declaring and we are initializing the 0 variable. Okay, means we are defining number, uh, number value is 0. Okay, then controller will come here and will check condition. Okay, number less than, number greater than equal to 3, number 0 greater than equal to 3 means condition will be false. Okay, condition will be false, so controller will not authorize to enter inside the while loop. So what will happen, this console will be printed and this console will be printed. So here that is a string, so same string will be printed. And here what will happen, number, what is the value of number is equal to 0, because number JavaScript controller is not authorized to enter the while loop because the condition is false. Okay, so that number is not incremented by 1. Okay, so number value is still 0. Okay, so let's execute. You can see here what we are saying, this is the number, this is the message num jsk what is that, and the console num is equal to 0. Why? Because the number is 0, while loop the condition is false, so while loop controller is not entered inside the while loop, so that number is not incremented, so that we are printing number is equal to 0. So what will happen, we need to check, we are changing the condition number less than equal to 3. Okay, so here number is 0, 0 less than equal to 3. Yes, 0 less than equal to 3, condition will be true. 0 less than equal to 3, yes, 0 less than equal to 3, 0 less than 3, yes, 0 less than 3, the condition will be true. So what will happen, console this num will equal to 0, and num printed by 0. Okay, and number value is increment by 1, because we are using increment operator, number plus plus, so it will number will be increased by 1, so number value will be 1. Okay, so then controller again go to the while loop and will check the condition. Okay, 1 less than 3, 1 less than equal to 3, but 1 not equal to but less than, condition is true. So 1 less than 3, yes, so again number will be printed 1, and number will be increased by 1. Here number will increase by 1, so number value, what is the number value, 1, and now will be increased, then what would be value, there will be 2. So here condition will be checked, 2 less than equal to 3, 2 is not equal to but less than 3, so condition will be true. So here number value is 2, printing 2, and here number will increase by 1, so 2 will be 3. So 3 less than equal to 3, 3 less than equal to, and 3 less than 3 not, but 3 equal to 3, yes, 3 equal to 3, so condition will be true. And here number will be printed 0 1 2 3, and number will be increased by 1, so number will be 4. Then again condition will be checked, 4 less than 3, no, 4 equal to 3, no, so means condition is false, so controller will outside and this message, and here number equal to 4 will be printed. So you can see here 0 1 2 3, and then there are two message here. So the message is, and the value is 4, 4 less than equal to 3, that condition was false, so controller will outside and then printing here. So you can understand now how executing. Okay, so you can understand here what, how while loop is working. First, the condition will check. If condition is true, then while loop execute. Otherwise, while loop will not execute. The controller will outside, and that whatever the statement we are writing, that will execute. So condition will be true, and condition जब तक true रहेगा तब तक while loop execute करेगा. Once condition is false, then while loop will not execute. Okay, so you can see here. And suppose you want to print a table. Okay, so how can you print the table? Okay, how can you print? So there are certain logics. Okay, but here we are suppose we are writing 1 1. Okay, you can add 0 and less than 3. Okay, less than 10, and here what we are doing, uh, let number 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so here, okay, so we are, what we are doing here, number cross number 2 cross number. Okay, and number is increasing. Okay, so here let's execute. You can see that you can print and plus slash n. I think that syntax is correct. Okay, so you can see here and double line printing. Okay, so let's remove this one. Okay, so execute. So you can see here that two table of two number. Okay, that is printing 2 4 6 8 10 12 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 2 3 ja 6 2 4 ja 8 2 5 ja 10 2 12 ja 2 6 ja 12 2 7 ja 14 2 8 ja 16 2 9 ja 18 and 2 10 ja 20 means that is the table. Okay, and then you can do duka do dun char do te cha do chokwa do that is the in that time. Okay, so you can see now and we are printing the table of two using while loop. Okay, so that is the all. Okay, so if do you have any questions, okay, related to while loop, so you can ask, you can add in the comment box. Okay, and whatever the doubt, if you have coming in your mind, so you can uh, add in the comment box, and if you do have any suggestions, you can add in the comment box as well. And that if the video is going to helpful for you, so you can like and that comment as well, and you can share with your colleagues so that can get. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.